Welcome back to the 4 Times the Mom channel. Hit that subscribe button and let's get right on into some Christmas projects. Now for this project, I got these right here from the Dollar Tree. So each one of these was $1. And then I got these little things from AC Moore, but our AC Moore actually went out of business. I bought these last year and I never did use them, but I'm just going to use them for this DIY. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a cake stand, not a cake stand, but a 3-tiered tray, and I'm going to use these like as the little stands, like so, and then put like that, and then I'm going to do this one as well. And then it's going to be like something like that. But I got these from AC Moore, but you can pick them up in any craft store back in like the little like wood section where they have like stuff that needs to be painted. You can pick up something like that, or you can get like the little candle holder glass ones at the Dollar Tree and then paint those. That's what I originally wanted to do, was get some of those, but when I went to the Dollar Tree the other day, they did not have them. So I just remembered that I had these on hand, so I'm just going to make do with these and use them in this project. So let's get started making the DIY.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean, yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing, yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring, it will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring, it will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go.
The next project, you're going to need some garland, and thankfully I have a ton of garland. I got this at a yard sale like a few years back, and I just kept it in this tote, and part of me wanted to get rid of it, and then the other part of me said, no, you might use it for a project someday. So the hoarder in me kept it, and now I'm glad that I did, because I didn't have to buy any of this. It was like a couple bucks for the whole tote. So I'm going to use some of this garland, and you can get this at the Dollar Tree. So you could spend like $2 and get a couple strips of garland or whatever. But I'm going to make a DIY. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. I'm out here and I'm going to use this Santa snow, and I'm going to be not spray painting, but spraying this garland.
It will always be Christmas in my heart, but this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me, doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh.
So another thing you can do, guys, is you can take like decor off of like old decor that you don't want, like pieces like this. If there's some things that you aren't going to be using, you can repurpose that stuff and then just add it onto, you know, your new project. And I've got this one little bundle here, kind of like sprayed a little bit of spray paint on it and made it look like snow, and then I'm just gonna like stick it in here and hot glue it.
La da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday.
Now all I'm going to be doing is wrapping some empty boxes and some wrapping paper to make presents as decorations.
It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you.
Here is the first box all wrapped, and let's get right on into the second one. Okay, this is the second box that we wrapped.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and
The
chill.
next DIY, you're just going to need a Dollar Tree frame. I got this 8x10 frame from the Dollar Tree, and it has like a outlined frame, not sure what you call it, inside. And then a pack of these gift boxes. There's 2 in a pack, so you could actually get 2 frames and make 2 Christmas pictures if you want. But I'm going to just do one, and I got this pack because it said Merry Christmas. So I'm going to take this out and then put it in there. And then I'll show you what it looks like when I'm finished. But also, I've seen people put gift bags. They take the pictures from gift bags and put in here. And another thing you can also do is you can print off pictures from online. And you can print off pictures that has like sayings about Christmas or pictures or whatever. You can print those off and put them in the frames as well. Or if you have like a magazine, you can also cut out pictures from that and just put in the frames. So there's a lot of different ways you can make like Christmas scenery type frames or Christmas frames, but this is just the one I chose because I really liked the way this looked, and I hadn't seen anybody use gift boxes yet.
It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this much right here off, so that way this fits in the frame, because it hung over like that much. So I'm going to cut that off.
It's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close, forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, oh.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a very Merry Christmas. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See y'all later.
Memories. I've been wrapping presents for you.